Okay children, now we will do the multiplication. First 132. 2 is in which place? 1's place. 3 is in 10's place. 1 is in 100's place. 1's, 10's, 100's. Now first we multiply the 2 with this 4 digit number. So right here 132. 2462 into 2. Okay children? So 2 2's are 4. 2 2's are finished. Now 2 6's are 2 6's are 12. 2 here, 1 next line upside. 2 2's are completed, 2 6's are completed. Now 2 4's are 8. That 8 will be added to this one. 8 after 9. So right here 9. So these three numbers will be completed with 2. Now last number is 2. 2 2's are 4. Okay children? 2 2's are 4. 2 6's are 12. 2 plus 1. 2 4's are 8 plus 1 9. 2 2's are 4. Okay? Now with 1's place given the number is multiplied completed. Now 10's place will be started now. 10's place will be started now. So 10's place put the 0 or into. 10's place, 1's place put the 0 or into. Okay children? Why? We will start the 10's place number with multiply the given number. So 1's place will put the 0. Now this will be 2462 into 3 now. Okay, 2462 into 3. Now 2 will be completed. Now 3 is in which place? 10's place. So now we start the write the answers in 10's place. So we will put the 1's place in 0. So 3 2's are 6. 3 6's are 18. So 8 here. 1 is also writing upside in second place. Okay. Now 3 4's are 12. That 12 plus this one 13. So 3 here. 1 second place in next line. 3 2's are 6. That 6 will be added to this one. Becomes the 7. Okay children? So 1's place will be completed, 10's place will be completed. Now 100's place 1 will be multiplied with given number now. So 2462 into 1. So 1 is in which place? 100's place. So now we'll write the answers is also started with 100's place. So put the 1's place 0, 10's place 0. Now we'll start in 100's place. 1 into 2. 1 2's are 2. 1 6's are 6. 1 4's are 4. 1 2's are 2. Okay children? Now see here. Why will we write here? 2462 into 2. 2462 into 3. 2462 into 1. Okay children? Now these three numbers will be added. What is the multiplication? Meaning children? Continuously addition is called as multiplication. Continuously addition is called as multiplication. So given becomes that these three numbers will be added now. See 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 0 4. 2 plus 6. 2 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 2 after 3 4 5 6 7 8. That 8 plus 0 8. 9 plus 8. 9 keep in your mind. Take 8 fingers. 10 after 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. That 17 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 17 after 18 19. Double digit number. 9 here and 1 next line upside. 1 plus 4 5. 5 keep in your mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6 7 8. That 8 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9 10 11 12 13 14. This one also double digit number. So 4 here 1 next line upside. 1 plus 7 8. That 8 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9 10 11 12. This one also double digit number. 2 here and 1 next line upside. So 1 plus 2 3. So becomes the answer is 3,24,984. So becomes the answer is 3,24,984. I will write this one. Why children? You could understand very easily. Okay, 2462 into first 2 is multiplication. Next 3 is multiplied with this number. in second line we will put the ones place in 0. Why? In second place means 3 is in tens place. 3 is in tens place. So we will write the answers will be started in tens place. So ones place is put the 0. Next 1 is in hundreds place. Now put the ones in tens place is also 0. Started the answers with hundreds place. Again any number in thousands place we will put the 3 places and write the answers in thousands place will be started. Okay. So this is the multiplication sum. 4-digit number by 3-digit number. So note in your notebooks with neatly without mistakes. See our next one. Second sum. Given numbers is 4785 into 246. Okay. Now we'll write this sum properly. 4785 into 246. Okay children. Now we'll do the multiplication. First, what is the ones place, what is the tens place and what is the hundreds place here? 6 is ones place, 4 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. First given number is multiply with ones place number 6. So write here 4785 into 6 first we'll do here. So now see here 6 table, 6 table, 6 5s are, read the 6 table up to 5. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So double digit number 0 here and 3 next line upside. Next number upside. Now 6 5s are completed. Now 6 8s are, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48. That 48 keep in your mind. Take these 3 fingers. 48 after 49, 50, 51. So this one is also double digit number and 51. 1 right here and 5 right here. Next number upside. 6 7 jar. 6 6 jar 36, 6 7 jar 42. That 42 keep in your mind. Take this 5 fingers. 42 after 43, 44, 45, 46, 40, 47. Now 7 is right here. 4 is next number upside. Okay. Now 6 4s are 24. That 24 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 24 after 25, 26, 27, 28. So right here 28. So given number is multiplied by 6 is completed now. Now given number is ones place is completed now. Tens place is 4. So ones place will be completed. So put the in second line ones place put the 0. So tens place will be started now. So we will write the answers will be started in tens place. Now 4 table with 4 7 8 5. Now first 4 into 5. 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The 12 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. This one is a double digit number. So 17. 7 here and write 1 here. Okay. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 keep in your mind. Take 9 fingers 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write here 11. Any time becomes the last in double digit number, you will be